Hey guys, got a really exciting app to actually promote to you guys to help you generate anywhere from 10 to 20% extra in terms of email revenue. Super easy, but it's only for brands doing 250K a month and above. I'm not kidding. Like, as the title says, I'm not kidding. I'm not really being paid for this. Please believe me. The app itself is called Black Crow AI. This is like their website. Right now, I use it for 2 of my clients. We're going to get more of my clients on them. Actually, no, I think 3 or 4 of my clients are currently on them. I'm not being directly sponsored, but I do have a relationship with them because I get my clients on them. And yeah, to prove it, they gave me an affiliate link, but I won't use it in the description. I'll just include their website. Long story short, the app is actually really easy, right? How it works is right now, Klaviyo's Pixel captures events like started checkouts, viewed products, added to carts, and that kind of stuff, right? And these events are linked to an email on your Klaviyo database. And this email is discovered through cookies. And if people places an order with the email that they're signed up with, the order gets linked. That's how attribution works. Now, if someone were to abandon a product page view or like a checkout or something, right now, that triggers a metric inside of Klaviyo, which then triggers like your abandoned checkout flows and that kind of stuff. So if match is found, abandoned X flow is then triggered. Now, this way of doing things misses a lot of the events. And it's just because of technical stuff that I don't really understand, to be honest. It's like how, Facebook's Pixel doesn't track 100% of the events, whereas if you use something like Hyros or like WeTracked, you're able to track more events, feed it back to Facebook, they can optimize better and that kind of stuff. Black Crow essentially has their own way of linking events through their custom coded metrics. So let's say before you were able to capture 30% and get a match of the events that happen on your website, like your abandoned checkouts and that kind of stuff. Now it's able to capture 40%, right? So you can see it's going to send more abandoned flows to the relevant people that actually abandon. So you can see where the revenue comes from. Now, the second way that this works is that right now, how we capture emails is through showing people a pop-up, right? 10% off, cashback, giveaway, whatever your offer is, right? And now at this point, the person can either choose to close the form or sign up and then continue on their customer journey. What Black Crow essentially does is it shows the pop-up for the first time. If people close the form, they would then continue on their customer journey, but then they have an AI that analyzes web visitors' like site behavior and then shows them the pop-up form at a very specific time using the AI algorithm to kind of determine who that is going to be shown to and also at what point, right? Shows the pop-up again to very high intent traffic, they sign up, or if they don't, that's fine as well. Like they just continue their customer journey, right? So I'll show you proof that it works on 2 of our accounts. Right now, I've seen it work on maybe like 5 or 6 accounts that I've audited that are not my clients. And then of the clients that I've referred them, it's worked every single time. So check this out, right? So we implemented this for a brand about a week ago. You can see the data is very recent. The Black Crow flows for the welcome series have already been sent out 4,300 times. So it's captured more emails. And also the checkouts and everything are going up as well. Now, this is another brand that we implemented it for. You can see it's working here, and also it is working with the abandoned checkouts and that kind of stuff as well. The revenue per recipient is also pretty decent, which is also like a metric that I look for when it comes to analyzing flow data. And you can see the pop-up actually works because the form submission rate is much, much higher because they're not showing it to everyone. Again, this is not just installing another pop-up and just showing everyone the same pop-up again later on down the line. It's showing it to very specific people. And you can see it's been able to capture a significant more amount of email users, pretty much, on both of the accounts. So if you're curious to test it out, they have a 30-day free trial that is open to the public. This is only really for brands that are doing 250K a month or more because they're not super cheap to work with, to be honest, but they actually do work and the ROI is there. So if you just want to use them or try them out for 30 days for free, just go to blackcrowai.com, book in a call. Right now, their Shopify app is invite only, so you do have to book in a call to get access. But if you want to help me build some more goodwill with them so they can give me their brands and have us do their onboarding essentially, just tell Brian that Boyan sent you. if you want, of course. And I will get like 10% commission, I think, or something. But honestly, I don't need that money. So yeah, if you want, tell him that I sent you, build some goodwill, and yeah, that's it. Honestly, I'm like legit, this app is so sick. I've only ever promoted 2 softwares, Fondue and these guys. So yeah, if you want someone competent to take over your email marketing, and if you're a brand doing over 100K a month, book in a call with me. My agency website's going to be the first link in the description. See you in the next one.